What are you doing?
What? Trying to talk with her.
Truman yelling at cats, part 1.
I'm imitating my engineering teacher. What?
No.
What? She's a good smoochy bumble. Look at this bumble. She's a good bumper Karnak witch. You know what I mean?
What, the wiener?
Bumper Karnak witch.
Oh yeah, I heard on the radio that the wiener mobile crashed.
Like
So-
the Oscar Mayer one? Or Wiener Schnitzel?
I don't know. All I know is it was in Chicago and someone crashed it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's so cursed.
Cat.
Probably happened before too. Look at that bumper Karnak witch. She's such a good bumper kunk. She's a good bumper kunk work on the